Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you what are the Python booleans and their explanation. Let's go. So here first of all you have to know what are the Python booleans or Python booleans value. Booleans represent one of two values, true and false. In programming, you often need to know if an expression is true or false. So for that case, we have to evaluate any expression in Python and get one of two answers, either true and false. Now, first of all, we do the practice. This is the print 15 is greater than 9. Is it true or false? Definitely it is true. That's why it print true. See, run. The next option is 15 double equal 9. Is it true or false? Obviously it is not. That's why it's false. Then 15 is less than 9. It is false. It's printed the false options or false answer. Now, if else condition with the help of true or false. Here it also work with the boolean operations. How? A variable carry 500 value, B variable carry 333. So we apply the condition B is greater than A. It is true or false. If it is yes, then print yes. See, it is no, that's why it prints no. Then the boolean type. If we define the bool type is a keyword for Python language, that's why it prints the bool operations which is true or false. That is print it is true bool. We define it is true and the bool it is also true. Here in below there have also some false answer. We'll define later. Now, also the type sections. So how many types? So how can we write the type in Python programming languages or in programming languages in this version or in this session? So see, also we can here hold the very previous class. I have shown these things there how to write or how to declare a variable or something like this. This is obviously print because we define or we type has given bool. That's why it print the true options. Some values are false. We told you before that we will define later. So this is the option. So there are many values that evaluates to false except empty values such as first bracket, second bracket, third bracket, the number 0 and the value none. If we write, so it will print at the false value or false answer. So how can we define this? We can define that this way. We define the first bracket, second bracket, not second bracket, first bracket we can write now false bool type. This is n answer. So the values are false. If we write this way, then the answer will be given the false answer. One more values or object in this case evaluates to false, and that is if you have an object that is made from a class with a len function that returns 0 or false. How? See, in this previous section we have learned that 0 is reveal the false answer. So return 0. That's why it will give the false answer. See, if we give the 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, then it is the true value. See, 0, it is given the false answer. Now the function can return a boolean. So function also can return the boolean value. If you write the bool here, if we write the false, 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 then it will show the false. See? So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.